What's up, my fellow traders? I hope you all doing well and hope you all having a nice day. So, first of all, I want to thank all of you who hit a like button for me on my call yesterday. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. And it's always nice to see that you are getting value out of my analysis and you're learning out of my analysis. That is what my goal is. But I want to give you a value out of my analysis. I just do not want to come here, tell you my bias and tell you how much money I make and just sign out of my videos. I also want you guys to learn and to see the candlestick patterns and identify the candlestick patterns that will help you for your trading decisions. I want you guys to learn and become a profitable trader. Of course, I can't tell you every single thing on my single video. Of course, you have to follow a full plan to become a fully profitable trader, but I try to give you as much as possible value out of my analysis through my analysis so that you can able to learn something and you can able to get some value out of it, and I'm here to guide you as well through my videos and the zones I pay attention to through my videos so that you can mark these zones on your charts and able to trade efficiently. So that's what my goal is all about. But in future, hopefully I'll be launching my course very soon. I'm sorry guys, it's a bit delayed because of the website guy I've paid money to, but the guy he never responds, so I had to hire a new guy. So because of that, it's a bit delayed. So but it's all sorted now, it's all in the pipeline. So without taking much of your time, let's start our analysis with natural gas here. So right now, what do we have here? If you remember my yesterday's video, let me quickly show you a very short clip from yesterday's video. So as you can see, the market is now respecting this trend line. Is in a nice uptrend. Every time the market hit this trend line, this is an engulfing pattern. Market pushed up, and we have this engulfing candle. Market pushed up, and now we have this engulfing pattern. Market is pushing up. So that is why I want you guys to ensure that once we have a hit of our second top, make sure we have a good rejection signal, a bearish signal to take short trades. But if we break above this green box, then we can expect a market to push up even higher and reach this yellow zone, which is 7.814. Okay, perfect. So that's what we need to look at. Of course, that's good we didn't enter here, as this is a minor level of resistance. That was a minor level of resistance, which then act as a level of support. So right after the break, if we entered right after the break, as you can see, the market pushed up as expected and as shown in my previous analysis. This is what I want you guys to look at. We do not want to rush, as this is our hard earned money. If you, let's say, if you would have entered here, that would be a stop loss easily. So as this is not a major level of resistance, so right now where the market is at and stalled at this major level of resistance, it is a very major level of resistance, guys. Let me show you on a weekly time frame right here. This is the weekly time frame, and as you can see, if you want to go back and see right here, this level has acted as a good level of support and resistance both. So looking at this good level, and recently, if you remember, we took this trade few days ago and we had some nice profit down here. So the market is at the same level and we already have a 382 candle right here. Let me quickly check if that's a 382 candle or not. It is not a 382 candle basically, so that's why we have this fib tool to confirm if it is a 382 candle, but that's totally fine. That's a 25% candle in fact. But looking at that, now what we need to decide here, that's a major level of resistance. Now I want to see this current candle closes below this wick, which is 7.807. That's on Ovanda. So on 4 hour, I want to look this pattern to take my sell trades from. Once we get that pattern, we can go 180 hour targets below and above, and you can manage your positions accordingly. So on 1 hour time frame, right here, we already have this pattern, but I will still wait for another push up and we can get a double top action from this zone on 1 hour time frame. So look for this pattern on 1 hour time frame and look for an engulfing pattern on 4 hour time frame. So once you get that, I will be entering my trades with a good entry reason. Again, that candle must closes below this wick. So, and also the other confluence I'm seeing here is with this engulfing pattern, we are also getting this overbought situation. So if you remember, we took this trade here with this overbought situation, but that trade was on 1 hour time frame. Let me show you right here. We got this engulfing pattern and overbought situation right here. So looking at the both confluences with this bearish pressure and overbought situation, I can expect a push down. Let's check on currency.com. Right here on currency.com, the market is now at the same level from where the market fall from previously, and if you remember, we took this trade here and ended up hitting a nice profit. And now this is the level of major resistance. And if you look at a weekly time frame right here, there's a quite messy data here. So let me change the chart right here. This level has acted as a resistance, acted as a support and resistance. So let's get back to candles. So looking at this good level of resistance, if we get this candle here, let's say if let's see if this is a 382 candle or not. It is not a 382 candle, but it is a pin bar. So if we have a pin bar, then my entry is, as you know, few pips below. For natural gas, I am a forex trader, guys. So for forex, on forex pair, I enter 5 to 10 pips below that. So I've not tested this on natural gas, but I always enter few pips below that. So either you get this entry reason, or you can enter this candle will close in next 15 minutes. By the time I upload a video, it will be closed. So next candle you can wait. If we have a close of this candle, then we can wait for a next red candle, and then we can wait for a next green candle. We have a good condition on Oanda for sell trades. We have a green candle there. Let me show you right here, and I want to see an engulfing candle next red candle. So but here this is a red candle, a pin bar, a different situation. So in that case, if we have this entry pattern, then the entry would be few pips below that. Or on 1 hour time frame, right here we have a push up and push down at this zone, then I will look for double top entry pattern. So look for that entry pattern on 1 hour, and on 4 hour I look for a pin bar or next green and then next red bigger candle. So look for that confluence. This is our selling zone. I will only go for buy once we have a good break and close above right here. This zone is 7.829 goes up to 8.5 8.057. Next up, we have gold. So gold has now, as expected, pushed down. We had good two close of candles. Now we had a pullback, and now we can still expect a bearish move from here with a bearish engulfing pattern. Once I have that, I will go short using my ATR as a target. So gold, I'm not looking for buying trades unless or until we hit above 20 EMA and above this pink zone, which is 1875. Let's check on crude oil. Okay, crude oil right here. What do we have? We have a pushed up from our minor level of resistance, and we can expect a push down from this zone at this zone, and from here we will expect a buying pressure to take over long trades as a double bottom entry. So wait for a market to hit this gray zone, which is 102, goes down to 101391. So from here I will look for buying reasons. I will only go for sell trades once we break and close below this gray zone. So that's all for now, guys. If you have any questions, you can buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Take care.